Hi, if you want to save your energy bill and reduce the maintenance on light in your home, just follow this video to replace your old, obsolete halogen can light with this Retrofit LED light. It's very simple. Before you buy the LED Retrofit light like this, there's a few things you need to consider. The first is the size. You have to know your existing can light, the can size, and buy the same size of the Retrofit LED light. The common size is a 4-inch and a 6-inch. The second one is the trim size for this. You buy this light, the trim size at least 1 inch bigger than your can size, so they can cover the ceiling. The next one is the brightness. I prefer 700 to 1200 lumens. If it's brighter, you can use a dimmer switch to adjust. If it's too dim, there's no way instead of replacing it. The next is a dimmable, but most of the LED light is dimmable right now. The last thing is the color temperature selectable. I prefer you have these selections. Look like this. They have a selectable switch in the back, so you can choose the different color temperature from 2700 Kelvin to 5000. The lower number, the warmer and the softer. Next, I go over the main part of the Retrofit LED light. These light bulbs have the same big male screws as incandescent old halogen light used to screw into the female socket, E26. E stands for Edison, and 26 means 26 millimeters, or roughly 1 inch. The Retrofit light also have the quick connector, TP24. These two torsion spring is used to hang the light. You can squeeze this and insert into the two clips of the inside of the can. Now you know the Retrofit LED tall light. Let's start to install it. First, turn off the circuit breaker, or at least the light switch, and then use the paper towel to turn the bulb and then take it off. The spring here. So this spring, you can push and take it off. You can see this, the spring have a hook. They hang in here. New Retrofit LED light. Disconnect this quick connector. Thread in this. And then reconnect it. This is a quick connector. Make it tight. You can see here have two clips here. Both sides has one. You squeeze in this spring to here. Let it hang there. And then you go to this side, squeeze in the spring. After that, gently push up. It's working. This new LED light looks much better without a hole in the ceiling. Not only looking good, they reduce your energy bill on the light by up to 80%. They last longer, 10 times than the regular bulb, like the halogen light and the regular bulb. The last one, but most important, is easy to install and not expensive. I will leave the links in the description below for your reference. If you want to adjust the brightness of the light, you need a dimmer switch. If you want to know how to install the dimmer switch like this, please click this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe my channel, and also turn on the bell to be noticed when the new video released. Thank you for watching. See you next time.